Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Yan. In one of the retreats I gave for students, I asked the participants, what is their dream? No? Ano ba ang gusto nyong maging pagdating ng araw? Ano bang pangarap ninyo? So some students said they want to become teacher, doctor, architect, etc., etc., no? And out of nowhere, one of the students told the class that he wants to become a saint. Gusto daw niya maging santo. Wow, sabi ko, bigatin. Kakaiba yung sagot, ah. So I asked him, no? So how are you going to become a saint? Paano ka magiging santo? Kasi kung doktor, kung architect, kung teacher, siyempre mag-aaral ka. So pag gusto mo bang maging santo, mag-aaral ka rin ba? Then he answered, no, Father, ano po, magpapari po ako. Okay, pwede naman. Pero sa isip ko po, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, no, hindi naman siguro kapag nagpari ka, magiging santo ka agad, no? Sabi ko, kung ganoon pala, di malaki pala ang chance ko. Pero, magiging santo ka lang ba kapag naging pari ka? Paano kung hindi ka pari? So, wala kang chance maging santo. So, today, we celebrate the feast of Saint Isidore, or better known as San Isidro Labrador, a farmer, isang magsasaka, who became a saint. He was beatified in Rome on May 2, 1619 by Paul V. He was beatified along with some big names among the saints, namely Saint Ignatius of Loyola, Francis Xavier, Teresa of Avila, and Philip Neri. Just imagine, no? Saint Isidore, who was just a simple farmer, isang simple at ordinaryong magsasaka, was beatified with saints who were pastors and nuns, and who were even known for their writings and teachings. Si San Isidro naman po, wala naman pong isinulat at hindi rin naman po nangaral. Ordinaryong magsasaka lang. Pero na-beatified po siya kasama ng mga pastor, mga pari, at madre. Isang banal, isang ordinaryong magsasaka, kasabay ng mga bigating santo at santa. Well, this teaches us that for us to become saints, you need not to become an illustrious member of the church. Even in our own ordinary day-to-day activities, we can become a saint. As long as we are connected to God and our life is rooted in His grace. Like Saint Isidore, who lived his life in prayer to God and loving others like Jesus. Alam niyo po, si San Isidro, simple lang naman po ang buhay niya. Simple lang naman po yung kabanalang ginawa niya. Isa po sa mga sikat at kilalang kwento, no, patungkol sa kanya, si San Isidro daw po, mahilig mag-uwi ng mga taong gutom sa bahay nila. At anong ginagawa niya? Pinapakain lang niya sila. Yun lang. Nagpapakain ng mga gutom. Mga taong walang makain. Isang paraan para maging banal. Like in our gospel today, where Jesus consecrates His disciples. Consecrate means to set apart for an important purpose and mission. And if we consecrate ourselves and our lives to God, even in our own ordinary way, becoming His saint is possible. Hindi mo kailangan maging bongga, kailangan maging mataas, may posisyon at kilala para maging santo at banal. Kailangan mo lang magdasal, Kailangan mo lang magkaroon ng mas malalim na ugnayan sa Diyos at magmahal na tulad niya. Well, dear friends, become a saint even in your own little and ordinary way. Amen.